Yeah. So,
yeah, good evening, everyone. It's a happy, sad moment for me, and a little embarrassing too, because as Lord Henry Wotton once mentioned in the picture of Dorian Gray, not all of us can be heroes, because some of us have to stand by the wayside as the heroes go by. So I have a similar, I would say, emotion going through my mind just now, because my contribution, particularly in the last year, has been very limited. And yet I have been standing by the wayside and appreciating the great strides that this association has actually made over the past few years, thanks to the wonderful guidance that the board members have provided to the working team, and more so, the exceptional work that has been done by Amitabh and team and everyone else. It's like a phoenix that JMA has arisen, and hope that the new team can take the JMA to greater heights. Thanks very much for this honor. Thank you very much.
First of all, I must compliment Amitabh. I mean, I recall 5-6 years back when this GMA was revived, so to say, in Jamshedpur, and I was privileged to be a part of that team. And I remember Mr. Nerurkar, the erstwhile MD of Tata Steel, he had mentioned that, GMA is a defunct organization, and he was associated with the All India Management Association. And he used to be told in all the forums, I think perhaps he was the president All India Management Association or some senior member there. So he was very disturbed that, why Jamshedpur Management Association, which is industrial city and with all Tata companies and many other companies. So he, brought in a team, and we were just 4 or 5 of us at that time, and there were no members, there was no record, there were no events, there was no money, there was no bank balance, nothing like that. And I think from there, when I see this presentation today, I think it has been a tremendous journey, Amitabh, and of course, Mr. Chanakya Chaudhary, the president, the erstwhile, the teams which have contributed, I think an outstanding work has been done, and we got awards as some, All India AI Best Local Chapter and all. So congratulations. I have nothing to add there. I think in terms of the work, it is very good. Only 2 things which I would like to point, which I was just thinking when I was seeing some of the slides there, that, and I think this I have been mentioning from many platforms, including CII and all, everything which starts in Jamshedpur, happens in Jamshedpur, tends to become Tata-centric. And, these organizations are industrial bodies. And it should not happen that people should see that this is a Tata club or a big boys club, Tata Motors, Tata Steel and all. So I think one thing, and the corporate council had everyone from Tata Group companies. So I think one thing, Amitabh, which, you can make it more inclusive in some sense. I know it's difficult, but, I think the kind of learnings that are happening here would find a lot of relevance with MSMEs, with the other bodies which exist in Jamshedpur. So that is one. The other is, which in some sense, Amitabh, you are doing, is that in few of my interactions with All India Management Association, I think they are very, very vibrant, and there is a lot of learning available with them. There are some very good events which happen in other LMAs, which they are willing to share the format. In fact, they are willing to send the other LMA guys to come to other LMAs. And so I would, and I know you are doing a lot of that, but I think you can build up on having more collaboration with AIMA. And I think that will help you to maybe increase the quality of your programs and maybe introduce some new programs, which chapters like Lucknow, I was told once when I went, did some quiz which was all India famous and stuff like that. So I think you can get up from there. But that's all from my side. Congratulations once again, and thank you, all the board members.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I must say I saw the results, and I have to tell Amitabh, you put me into trouble. My chairman is here, you know that. And I received a text from him saying that this margin appears better than yours. And that's not the end of the story. It is presented by Vivek Banka, who's my internal auditor. So I hope you understand where you put me into. But congratulations, I think, just echoing what Neeraj mentioned, tremendous amount of work. You put Jamshedpur on the mind share of IMA, and through the work that you and your team have done. And that's what we are all extremely proud about, and I'm sure it is going to go forward from here on. And moving forward, I'll repeat what I mentioned in our last meeting. We tried this in some other forum as part of Tata Network Forum East, but being this forum, and as what Neeraj mentioned, different organizations, academic institutions, the youngsters group we were trying to aim to bring together, ballpark 20 to 40 years, 20 to 35 years age group, we were trying to bring together, and this could become an excellent platform for getting this group together across not just the Tata Group, beyond the Tata Group, academic institutions, and lots of them, there are smaller ones beyond Jamshedpur, beyond Adityapur as well, who require that push a little more than others. So that's something which could be done. And once you bring them together, to keep them together, I'm sure you'll evolve a set of shared values, shared purpose through all the programs that you run, and that will in turn create that purpose and shared things. So all the best, and I'm sure you'll make us even more proud for the future.
Chips, I think, huh? Or peanuts. Okay, so well done. I think the results speak for themselves, but what is particularly pleasing, I guess, it's a very self-motivated team. And to take the drive and initiative on your own, I think is very, very commendable, and that's something which all of us, and I wish many of our other members learn from you. So very well done. Only the point is, there are many platforms today which offer these kind of programs. So we need to figure out how to differentiate and offer something which is unique or which will have specific value, which is not so easily available. Because there are outstanding programs today available on TED Talk or on, so many other groups. So how do you figure that out? So all the best and well done once again.
Good evening. My association with JMA is very, very long, and I was part of the defunct group that existed. But somehow, as soon as it started to revive itself, it's done fantastic work. And I'm really proud of the fact that from where to where today JMA Jamshedpur is talked about. So I wish to congratulate Amitabh and his team. They've done wonderful work, and any kind of support or help ever required, I'm there. Thank you very much.
Good evening. And I must first confess that I've been more than delinquent in not contributing to JMA. And therefore, I'm truly excited. I joined during Mr. Sunil Bhaskaran's time, and there was this huge effort to revive this. And seeing this today, I'm genuinely enthused to be part of this organization. I kind of echo Neeraj's point that if we can include MSMEs and people across the river, it will be more beneficial and more inclusive. And having said that, I feel that people like me have to help make that happen. So I promise you I'll be more, participative. And thank you for giving me the mic.
Yeah, good evening everyone. So probably these newest members who have joined, just before that I had joined this GMA Council, and so what I heard about that and what I'm seeing right now, the entire team is doing a fantastic job, and I must congratulate for bringing this GMA to this level. That's a great work. I would say that one thing that yes, what everyone covered, that how to differentiate. So young people, young managers who join in this Jamshedpur region, they should be given some forum to basically come out of that's a college and build up your that's mindset about the managerial skills. So there definitely we can tie up together. We can have some kind of library also. That's a virtual library where we can connect with those people, and they can have resource easily available to go through all those, whatever has happened, how this Jamshedpur city evolved, how these companies in around Jamshedpur evolved. So those things they will definitely learn, and definitely they can come out with other better ideas to enhance and bring this JMA to a bigger level. Thanks a lot.
I had to say, I was discussing with him and he went ahead and said that. So, so anyway, first of all, welcome from my side to, I think the colonel's not coming in, right? And ma'am is here, so, and thanks Prakash, this is not the end of the road, and I don't know why he called it as a retirement. So, retirement, but I was just wanting to ask, do we have individuals who can join? Because most of the individuals that I see here must be connected through the companies.
Individuals can also join.
Yeah.
So it's open platform, and we are trying to increase it through all our social media.
So Prakash, you are still a member. You are from the company's nomination to your individual nomination. I think we need people who can contribute.
Members to everyone by all the corporates we have.
Forget the corporates, I'm talking about individuals. They can come in their own capacity, right? So that's what is important, and I think Sanjay, what you said is right. And when Amitabh came and spoke to me a few days back in terms of who all we should include, and I said, I actually thought it was only a Tata Group kind of a thing, and then I looked at your name and he told me, ये पता नहीं आते तो हैं नहीं, तो ऐसे नहीं अब आएंगे. So he said, do you know him? So he said, do you know him? I said, that is a good question to ask because he was my senior in college and I know him pretty well. So nevertheless, thanks for joining in. I think I didn't want to use the CII platform, but I think I'm going to propagate there for people to come in and become members. And thanks for everyone. It's not only the management team which is sitting around here, all of you who've been really putting in a hard labor, doing well, and I think the results show for themselves. So second year in a row, and also getting a council seat, which I think it's a great achievement. And I don't want to remember the old defunct days, so let's see where we go from here. And Tarun, as he mentioned, that he will tell us how to increase the revenue and the surplus gaps, right? So he will tell us for sure. And I think someone talked about some working, I think you mentioned about working hard, and so I think there's one category which works hard and the another category which hardly works. So we'll decide who falls in which category. But nevertheless, I think last 1.5 years have been very challenging, as was mentioned. But I think the way we kind of molded ourselves to ensure that we don't shut shop, and we use this challenge as an opportunity. And I must thank Samir as well for bringing in that IT savvy connect here. And we were able to reach out to more and more individuals, even when they were sitting at home or through virtual and digital platforms. I think your students from the medical college possibly can get some kind of value from these events that we hold, and they don't need to travel per se for the program. It can be a virtual, and I think we need to communicate on that side. Plus, I think from the medical fraternity also we could have some sessions which could be of value add to the other members. So I think, and then from the armed forces as well, because I think there's a lot which we can learn from each other. So I think that's a good mix we will bring in. I think a lot of good ideas and suggestions have come in. I hope we are noting them down and we can sit one of these days and see what we can do. I was also telling Amitabh that LMA award for the last couple of years has really given us the boost, but we should find out which are the chapters who have consistently been doing well and try to benchmark, because those will be available. Even IMA will share, and Sanjay Grover and Rekha are good old friends, so I think there should not be an issue. But I think we have achieved a lot. Hi. So you need to do something on biodiversity for us, right? So yeah, but there are no lunches or high teas free here. So let's have a session on biodiversity, and that's something which is so relevant in today's time, the climate change and biodiversity. And let's do that session, because I think before coming here, Tarun and I, we were talking about, can we look at Jamshedpur as a sustainable city? I deliberately didn't want to use the smart city concept, but sustainable city. What does it mean? You know, whether it's about electric generation or generation of electricity to consumption of water and recycling and a lot of things we were discussing. So I think we look forward to you, and he has a lot of sessions in any case for within Tata Steel. So bring it out to every member. So I think there's a lot we can do, but only thing is we have to think a little differently. And I'll bank on all of you to keep pushing all of us, you know, to ask for more, and all of you here to contribute in whatever way, big or small, it doesn't make a difference. Actually, all of us in our own way, we can bring in that additional stuff. We, I am sure, will go forward in the IMA councils. He suggested to me that we could even pick up some members from Ranchi and from other locations. I was not too clear myself. I thought we will check with IMA if we can do that. Otherwise, we can bring in the academics and the other corporates from all over. So, once again, thank you very much for joining in, first of all, and contributing to where we stand today. But I think let's move forward together in this journey and make it bigger and larger. Thank you so much.